Welcome to our channel dedicated to ensuring your Kinsco water purifier runs flawlessly. Today, we unveil the importance of professional installation and annual maintenance contracts, AMC, for your water purifier. Our aim is to ensure you enjoy clean, pure, and safe drinking water without any hassle or interruptions. Kinsco water purifiers stand out with their cutting-edge technology, designed to filter impurities and provide healthful hydration for your family. But even the finest technology can falter without adequate attention. Proper installation is crucial, as it guarantees that your purifier functions at its best from the outset. Neglecting this step can lead to ineffective filtration and water quality issues, which is the last thing you want for your loved ones. To maintain optimal performance, we recommend taking advantage of our comprehensive services. Our expert team offers professional installation services tailored specifically for Kinsco water purifiers, ensuring that every component is assembled correctly. Furthermore, our annual maintenance contracts come packed with benefits like regular servicing, timely filter replacements, and expert care. These services help extend the lifespan of your purifier, securing your investment and providing peace of mind for your family. When it comes to reaching us for inquiries or book maintenance services, we have made it incredibly simple. Contact our dedicated customer support through our helpline at 7677161313, or drop us a message on WhatsApp at 8178697983. Our friendly team is always poised and ready to assist you, ensuring that you receive the service you deserve without any delay. What sets us apart? Thousands of satisfied customers can vouch for us. We pride ourselves on employing expert technicians who are certified and bring years of experience to the table. Our services are also competitively priced, meaning you won't have to break the bank to receive quality care. Moreover, our reliable support creates an ecosystem of efficiency to address your concerns promptly and effectively. So take action today. Don't leave your health to chance. Ensure your Kinsco water purifier stays in top condition. Call us at 767-161313 or WhatsApp at 817-869-7983 to schedule your installation or AMC service. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on maintaining your water purifier. Let's keep the water flow healthy and safe.